How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make yourself a 3D effect in Geometry Dash. So of course, the first thing that we are going to do is to modify our level right here. So if you want to make a 3D effect, you really have to get creative. So let's say that this is my block right here. Of course, you could just get the concept of what I'm about to talk about, but generally you could apply this to all of the blocks and all of the choices that we have right here. So I suggest using these patterns. Basically, with this one, we'll be able to use them easily by simply doing this simple trick right here. So you could just click on the rotate option, and then you will be able to rotate them or to manually paste them right here. So let's just click on edit, and then let's rotate the object right here. And as you can see, it's now placed perfectly. Now, for some other models, maybe you want to do some line 3D effect. Of course, you can also do that. Let's say, let's put it this one right here, right here. With the next one, let's do something like this one. And once again, you just have to make sure to enable the free move option right here. And maybe you could follow this effect with something like this one. And so guys, as you can see, that's how easy it is to make yourself a 3D effect in Geometry Dash. Now, if you wanted to make a 3D cube itself, you could simply do that by once again navigating through the options that we have right here. So I could make an entire block out of this 3D material, and from there, that's basically how you do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.